You use the climbing lane. There's a climbing lane, stupid. She's still sitting there. Worst pass-fail exit dive in history.
You are an idiot!
Great, he ain't gonna yield. Hey, oh wow! Yeah, nice. Helped if the Lexus wasn't speeding up. What the hell did you just do? What the hell? That's not an on-ramp, you friggin' idiot. Subaru.
You are an idiot!
This is the on-ramp. Watch this dumbass. Called it. Yep, yep. That was an asshole move, old man. Asshole. One customer per lane, please. Thank you. Fudge, go, Prius, you turd. Try not to take the back of my car off, will you, douche? Hey, hell. Jesus Christ, douche.
Control of the neighborhood. Chief Carmen Van 15 will move in to clean it up, and they want to get the
Yeah, that was not necessary.
was abandoned weeks ago.
Nice. Corolla didn't stop. What a shock. Neither CRV. What a shock. He didn't stop either. I don't think he did either. I've been looking all over the place here. I'm stopping and I'm going. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank is just another word for screw. Yeah. Put down the phone. Hey. You're making the illegal turn, stupid. Don't beep at him. Wait, what the fuck was that? What the hell was that? Can you get on side of the road? Greaseball. he just ran the, yeah, he just ran the red. Red light runner. That was red. That wasn't a stop. Give me a look. You're on the wrong side of the friggin' road. That's no fucking comfort. Why'd I just know you were in the wrong lane? Good move, asshole. Yeah, because you couldn't have taken the left and then gone into the other CVS entrance. Yeah, no turn on red. Exit dive in front of a big rig. You're a moron. You hear about this new invention called the stop sign? This is how it works. We stand. Nah! That was some moron maneuver. If I tell you how I feel. Sweetest taboo. I don't know why you had to dive in front of me, mofo. Grandpa. Oh, that's why. Because you're a nitwit. Oh, grandma. You're a nitwit. Couldn't pay at the lobby, no. You have to be the dickwad who holds everybody up at the line because you want to pay with a credit card at the gate. Always, 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 always. This is why they have machines in the lobby. Hey, hey, hey! Douche, wake up! For sake. Stop at the fucking stop sign. Yep, that was very nice of you. God Damn it, go move it. It's not a stop. Neither was that. Nor that. Nope, 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 nope. Saw that coming a mile away. Yeah. Exit dive. Too close, asshole. Of course he didn't stop. Of course he didn't stop. Nice! Nice! Jerk. And that was red. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? That didn't get you nothing now, did it? Yeah, exit dive, why not? Yep, you're a scumbag. Yep, you're a scumbag. Zigzagging scumbag. Yeah. Why didn't you just go left in the first place, you nitwit? And that's an exit dive. And that's an exit undive. I'll come up with the real name for that someday. Exit regret, how's that?
Hooray!
Honk for the birthday girl. I don't think so. Yeah! Howdy hole. There's one behind me now. Great. Oh, there he goes. Yeah! Howdy hole. There's one behind me now. Great. Oh, there he goes. Are you in a hurry, dude? What? Arrogant shitbag. Get off my ass, thank you. Get off my ass, thank you.